Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Aburaki from Tut Plus 24. Today I am going to show some features of Angular 2. Uh, Today I am going to show HTTP service. So uh, to show the features HTTP service, I need to have some API support. So for doing that, here I have created one API here with the help of Express and Node.js and MongoDB. It is a very simple API, and in MongoDB, I have created uh, a collection named employees. Here I have started the MongoDB in one shell, and in another terminal, I have started the API. So it is running, and in the browser, uh, I can get this API values like localhost 3000, what is telling here, and finally my project file is in this folder. So I'm going to start this project like ng serve, and I'm using Atom as a code editor. It is taking a bit time to start. So the very first thing to show the HTTP service, I'm going to create a service first, and then I will take the service help from the service component into my app.component.ts. So let's see. Yes. So I'm going to the browser, localhost 4200. So this is a very simple empty Angular starter project, and I'm going to start here by creating the service. So ng generate service hello employee. So I'm going to create a service named employee. This is the shorthand form of generate and service. You can write the full generate and service word as well. So the service has been created. Employee service is here, and in the app module file we are getting service. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to include it here. Import, let me say the class name, employee service, that module from at angular slash, oh no, it is from dot employee service, employee dot service. This file name employee service. Okay. Now I'm going to add this class name into the provider, and we'll have to add the service name to the app.component also, and the service well, in the service file uh, we're going to uh, use the HTTP service, so we'll have to import it first. And you see here in add module, the HTTP module is already included. So this is the stable version of Angular 2, so it is included here. So I can just use it or call it from my component, app component, or any other sections. So I can import it here, import HTTP from Angular slash HTTP, and we'll have to inject it here, private employee service emp service, no, HTTP HTTP. And here I write get data, I'm writing one method and writing console log connected. So I'll have to go to app component and I already imported here. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to inject this service here. So into the constructor, private m service this service. Well, here I need to call that service get data this dot service dot get data and I'm calling this function. Uh, okay, well, so I'm going. Oh, I forgot to write one thing. ng on init. This is a life cycle hook. So to use this thing here. Yeah, the service is working well. Now I can. I'm just testing the service is working or not. Yes, service is working. So I'm going to uh, get the data from the backend from the service, and before that, uh, I'm going to uh, write something here, and I'm going to copy this code for the saving of time. And this is the table from Bootstrap table, and I can write to app.component. Here I can write employee list, and here I can write this dot underscore http dot get. This is the HTTP verb that we use here to fetch the data from any backend or API server. And here I'll have to write the uh, link, so we can get the link from here. And it will return observable, so I'll have to write here also import uh, RxJS reactive extension JavaScript slash add operator map, and here I can use map and response hetero and response dot json, and into app dot component file. So we'll have to, as it is returning the observable, so we need to subscribe it. Subscribe uh, this dot employee equal to employee, and we need to do something like we can declare the employees employee and or here interface name string and salary string. And let us see. Uh, okay, let me check in again. Oh, I forgot to return. Yes, it should return things. Okay, then okay, okay. Now I'm going to uh, add this employee array into the component here. ID, name, and salary, and here ng for equal to let employee of employees, and dot id name, salary, and it is not ID, it is underscore ID from the MongoDB collection. Here is the data that we have got from our file. So we can check it out. The last data is Sulaiman salary. This okay. Sulaiman salary. This okay. So by this way we can fetch data from any API. So now I am going to try something. Add here. I'm just going to add a form to input some data. Form name is name, and here is salary, and this is a button, and here I will use some event, submit, and add or save data event, and here we can find gmodel name, salary. To text field, one is name and salary, and we are binding here through ng model, and here I am going to give some event save data. You can give some like btn bootstrap class, btn success. Well, now it will not work because we did not write this function yet, and now I'm going to write the method. Here save data, prevent default, and I need to use some add service, that is this line I can copy, but I need to change this data, save data, and need to send some object. It's called name and salary, and the name object I can write e dot target dot value name dot value, and here dot target dot salary dot value. So we are sending this object to this method, and we are going to write this method to service info, and this will be post. Now this thing will be same, and here one more thing, info. So info will be the object that we are sending from our app.component module, and uh, it is save, and here you can write, we can call this dot and okay, I can do it later. Alex, we shall try to add some data. Yes, it is adding, so I can give some heading here. Add new employee, and here give title like h1, so you say this is the thing, this is the table, the data from MongoDB or API, created API we are facing, and here we are adding some data. So it is going to our MongoDB database. You can check it here also. Here last data is Sulaiman, so if we refresh it, here the last data is Alex. So uh, we can save another data. Uh, Rolf salary 10,000. Yes, so it is not refreshing, so the last thing we can do, so to refresh it, we can write Uh, so new person, well, it is not refreshing. So this is the thing that we'll have to add e.target.value, so we can refresh the form. If we add new value, so it is refreshing. So this is the thing. So what we did, we created a service here, and this service is using HTTP here. The core is from the HTTP service by Angular, and we are importing the reactive extension service here for observable, and here we are using this service by injecting it here into the constructor, and we have created two method, get data and save data, to retrieve and to post the data in to from the server and to the server respectively. So I hope this thing will be informative for you. If you don't understand anything, please leave the question into my YouTube video comment box. So if you like this video, please subscribe. uh, I will see you next time.